Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Epic Games account permanently. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open your browser, then type epicgames.com, and after going to the official website of Epic Games, all you have to do is to log in with your account. And as you can see here, I have logged in with my account. So what I'm gonna do right now is to hover over my name, then click on account, and it will show me the account settings as you can see right here. All you have to do is to go down till you find request account delete. Just click on it, then it will ask you if you want to delete your account. So I'm gonna click on delete account. Then it will ask me to enter the security code, and this security code has been sent to my Gmail that I have logged in with my account. So I'm gonna open my Gmail inbox right now. And now after opening my Gmail inbox, it will show me this message right here. I will copy the security codes right here. Then I will paste it, then click on confirm account deletion. And after deletion, it will show you this message right here. Just click on log out if you want to log out from your account instantly, or wait for 15 seconds and it will log you out automatically. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.